Oof, guys, Bed Bath & Beyond stock did not do well today at all, but I'm going to show you guys why on the larger time frames here, the chart actually still looks really bullish. So yeah, we have a lot to break down in this video. If y'all find value, smash that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 16 free stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Just use that link down below, or simply go to stassurfs.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock, and once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, totaling 6 stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, guys, on top of the 6 stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you want to help out the channel and you want some free money, use that Moomoo link down below. And with that being said, guys, let's dive right into the video. So check it out today, Bed Bath & Beyond stock. And by the way, cheers, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. And I just realized this mug, or whatever you want to call it, matches my shirt. That is unintentional, guys, completely unintentional. But either way, Bed Bath & Beyond stock went down 9.5% today, and it's had a pretty rough past couple of days. Nothing crazy, but well, I guess it is a decent drop here. It is down from 35 cents from Friday morning. Now it's at what, 25 cents? So it is down around 30% from that point, more like 28%. And at one point though, it was over 30%, more like almost 40% in the red from that high from Friday morning. You guys can see we hit around 35 cents, and today you guys can see the low on the day was 22 cents. Oof. So at one point on the day we were down 24%, and again from Friday morning at one point we were down 38.5%. So BBBYQ, guys, in the past day or two here has been getting destroyed, no doubt about it. But when we look at the larger time frames, you're going to realize, like I said in the intro, bulls are still in charge, at least in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. What do you think? Let me know. As always, I'd love to know where your heads are at. And you guys can see here on the 5-day, you can make an argument that we have a head and shoulders as well. So there's a lot going on here. Wait till you guys see that 20-day chart, though. So we have the left shoulder here, the head right here, and you guys can see the right shoulder right here. No doubt about it, that is playing out as of right now. You guys see the death cross. We're under the 180 SMA, which we've been under now for about a day, 2 trading days roughly. So that is playing out, and if it does get worse, maybe we go under 20 cents. That right shoulder could complete for all we know. But when we pull back the layers a little bit more and we take a look at the what's next, the 10-day, right? Yeah, we're on the 5-day. 10-day chart, we're noticing we're above the 180 SMA. And wait a second, now you're seeing this and you're like, hold on, the uptrend's actually still continuing. It's still holding. You guys can see we're holding that trend line that I just drew out right now, and it gets even better, guys. Wait till you see the 20-day 1-hour chart. You guys can see on this time frame as well, bulls are still in charge, at least in my opinion. What do you guys think? Again, if you disagree, let me know in the comments, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like most of you guys will agree with me here. But overall, you guys can see on the 20-day 1-hour chart, bulls are in charge. We're not above the 50 SMA. Okay, we did break under that, but we are clearly above the 180 SMA, which on this time frame here, we've held time and time again over the past couple of weeks, right? So I fully suspect, and I could be wrong, please make your own decisions, guys, and don't trade based on this video, but I could be wrong, but overall, I think buyers could come in here anywhere from 18 cents, 20 cents, 22, 25 cents. It really could be anywhere considering how volatile this stock actually is. But right now, if you guys look on the intraday chart, you're going to notice we did actually rally a little bit. Nothing crazy, but we did rally into close, and we did break above the 50 and the 180 SMAs, and we do have a golden cross, which for the majority of the day, we were under the moving averages, and we had a death cross on this time frame. So to me, this is a sign that, maybe a first initial sign that buyers are coming in, but we do have to get the full reversal, in my opinion, which would mean we break out of this 5-day, 5-minute little channel that you guys are seeing here. Let me actually draw it. And again, like I said earlier in this video, we've been downtrending for about 2 trading days now, right? You guys can see Friday and today being Tuesday, because yesterday the markets were closed. So if we start breaking out of the 180 SMA on the 5-day, 5-minute, we break out of this channel, that's where we could really start to get a reversal and a bounce on the 20-day chart off of that 180 and back over the 50 SMA, and at that point we could be fully breaking out yet again on BBBYQ. So maybe some of you guys are freaking out. I have a feeling not many of you guys are freaking out because, again, this is normal price action. This is not anything crazy. But if you are freaking out about this, you're like, holy crap, the bulls are throwing in the towel, it's over, the rally's done. I don't think quite yet that that's the case, considering we literally had, guys, no joke, 5-10 straight, maybe not 5-10 straight, but we had a ton of green days over the past month. We're bound to have a stretch of a couple of red days, some selling, some weekends, locking in profits or getting out, you know what I mean? And I mean, look, we started off the month at 4.5 cents and we got to 35 cents. I mean, that, if you ask me, is a very big move, very solid, almost 800% in May is what the stock has gone up, and well, at one point when it was at its peak, and now, guys, it's still up around on the month. Let's see here, from 4.5 cents to where we are now, 25 cents. It is still up. Are you ready for this? Almost 450%, guys. You heard that right, almost 450%. So it's still doing very well. It's still holding the uptrend. It's still above the 180 SMA on this 1 hour chart. So relax. I'm not saying for sure it's going to moon again. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but at this point, for people to be panicking, freaking out, there's no need to, in my opinion, because, again, for all the reasons that I've stated in this video, and I still think the thesis is intact, right? I still think a lot of, clearly there's a lot of, people shorting the stock. The short interest is still through the roof, and retail owns pretty much all the shares, the entire float. We've heard of this narrative a bunch, right? And at some point sooner rather than later, maybe later as well, I don't know, but, well, probably sooner considering the interest rate situation that's going on right now, these big hedge funds, the big money institutions, they're going to have to cover because they're paying a ton of money on interest. They've been paying a ton of money on interest as interest rates have been jacked up over the past year and a half, especially recently, right? Well, the big hikes were more in the past, but recently the rate has gotten a lot higher. Obviously, it's now, 5.5%, whatever the heck it's at. They're paying a lot of interest, and they're going to want to, get out of those positions. They're going to want to just cover their losses, or maybe they have a little gain, whatever. They're going to cover the short, and that's just going to be the end of, well, not the end of it, but that's going to cause a lot of buying pressure. And honestly, guys, who knows where it's going to go from there? I don't know. You don't know. Somebody claims they know, or some people claim they know, but nobody really knows. We all know that. But either way, we're gonna leave it at that. I'm personally still in Bed Bath & Beyond, guys. I'm not freaking out at all. This is just normal price action, in my opinion. Now, if it does start breaking back under 15 cents, 10 cents, all right, at that point, I'm not going to lie, I'm going to start shaking in my boots a little bit. But for now, we're holding on tight. Trends holding. There's no need to freak out, at least in my opinion. And yeah, please trade at your own risk, guys. And for me personally, full disclosure, again, I do own the stock, but it's with a very small amount of money that I can literally lose and not give a crap about. It's that type of investment, or not even an investment, speculation for me, because there's a big difference between speculating and investing. I have a whole video on that somewhere here on the YouTube channel, or on YouTube in general. You guys can probably find it. But yeah, this is a speculation, and I don't have much money in it. But if it does play out, and let's say it goes up tens of thousands %, maybe not that much, but let's just have fun and say hypothetically it goes up 2,000%, 5,000%, that'd be an amount of money that, hey, it'd be decent, right? It'd be nice. But if I lost it, it's not that serious. It's that for me, right? And I'm sure it's like that for you as well. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000 by going down below, or simply by going to stassurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up your account there, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. And once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, totaling 6 stocks. And fund your account with at least $1,000, guys, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. That's kindergarten math for you guys right there. Don't forget to also get 12 stocks from Webull, and check out my Patreon. All of those are down below. I'll catch you guys later in the next video. Cheers.